Hello everybody, today I'm going to teach you how to make and seal a homemade egg shaker. So if you were like me and bought the egg shakers from Amazon, you'll notice that there's 2 holes at the top and 2 holes at the bottom. So you don't want the rice to spill out all over the floor because the rice is tiny enough to fit in those holes. So I took 2 pieces of masking tape and put one on the bottom and one on the top. And that solved the problem super fast and easy. So I decided to use rice. I only needed 1 teaspoon of it and I had lots of it. And you put just 1 teaspoon in the bottom and then you seal it shut. You can use anything you want though. You can use a little pasta, you can use beads, but I really liked the high pitch that the rice gave the egg shaker. Now you want to find something hot to melt. I actually began starting this process with a candle, but it was kind of lumpy and it wasn't consistent. And so I started using my engraver that I use for my recorders. All right, we got all of our stuff. We have my engraver and it's nice and hot. Our eggs are sealed on both sides. You can see the tape. There's the rice inside. Just a teaspoon, not very much. I found it didn't matter how much I added. 1 teaspoon made the perfect sound. We're going to use the shaft of the engraver to melt the seam. It's a process. You have to go nice and slow. I'm going to speed this up, otherwise this will take forever. I realized that if you sit too long on the egg, you'll actually melt a hole in it, which is counterproductive. When the seam is all sealed shut, you'll notice that it looks kind of duller in the middle. Right there, and now you can't pull it apart. You can squish it really, really, really hard and it won't break, and the kids won't pick at it because it's nice and smooth. You're done. Hope you enjoyed watching. Have fun making them.